All veterans join for different reasons, and we have vastly different experiences. But at some level, I truly believe that we all recognize and value the opportunity for service to each other, to our country, and to our way of life. Presenting the colors today are cadets from our very own Blue Jay Battalion, which I understand is the oldest ROTC unit in the country.
Praise and on.
It's a true privilege to be with you here today to celebrate this Veterans Day. Thank you all for your service.
It's an honor and privilege to be with you all today. I'm a proud Johns Hopkins alum, I'm a proud Marine, and a proud veteran. As an undergraduate who was here from 2008 to 2012, this is the first event like this that I've ever seen. And to have the attendance that we had today was really special, and I look forward to future events, and I'm so thankful to be here today. Happy Veterans Day, Johns Hopkins, and thank you for having me.